In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine contact lists in Constant Contact. First, sign in to your Constant Contact account so you're on the main dashboard. If you're working in a shared environment, make sure you have the right permissions to manage contacts. This helps avoid surprises later. Next, head to the Contacts area. You'll see all your lists and the total number of contacts in each. Before you start, decide which list will be your final destination list. It's helpful to note its name and current contact count so you can confirm the results afterward. If your lists are similarly named, consider briefly renaming one for clarity, then switch it back when you're done. Open the list you want to draw contacts from. In the list view, you can search, sort, or filter to narrow down exactly who you want to include. Use the checkboxes to select specific contacts, or use the Select All option if you're combining the entire list. Take a moment to scan your selection to be sure you're including the right people. This quick check can prevent mistakes. Now it's time to merge them. Choose the option to add or move the selected contacts to your destination list. Add keeps contacts in both the original and the destination list, which is great if you still plan to use the original list later. Move places them into the destination list and removes them from the original, which is best when you're consolidating and want to retire that source list. If you're unsure, choose Add. You can always remove them from the original list afterward. Constant Contact treats each email address as a single contact. So if the same address already exists in the destination list, it won't create a duplicate entry. Also, unsubscribed or non-marketable contacts remain in that status, even if you add them to another list, so compliance is preserved. When the action completes, go back to contacts and open your destination list to review the results. Refresh the page if needed and compare the new contact count with what you expected. Spot check by searching for a few contacts you know you moved. If your account shows recent activity or a task log, take a quick look to confirm the operation ran successfully. Finally, glance through the list for obvious anomalies, like contacts you didn't intend to include or missing segments, and make small adjustments if necessary. That's it. By signing in, going to contacts, opening your lists, selecting the right people, adding or moving them to the destination list, and reviewing the final result, you've cleanly combined your lists and kept your database organized.